Today I'm going to show you how to make an SVG from an STL file using Fusion 360. This customer right here would like an SVG of this goat. I do not have the original SVG, so I'm going to use the goat STL that I sent them in order to make it. Now with Fusion 360, in order to make an STL, you are actually going to need what they call an add-on. And this add-on is called Shaper Utilities. I will put the link in the description so that way you can go to the page and download it. Once you have that downloaded, in Fusion 360, it will be under Utilities and it will show up right next to your export as this black circle with a white triangle. Once you have Shaper Utilities downloaded into your Fusion 360, you're going to go to Insert and then you're going to go to Insert Mesh. You're going to select the STL that you will be using and you're going to press OK. Now I can leave this mesh as is, but because it has so many triangles, it's going to take the system a lot longer to build the SVG and convert it to a solid. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go to the mesh tab and we are going to reduce. Preview it. Now when you are reducing your triangles, you still want to maintain your curves. If you reduce it too much, you will start to get boxy and we do not want that. So I think this is where I'm going to put it at and I'm going to press OK. Once you reduced your triangles, now we are going to convert this mesh into a solid by going to Modify and Convert Mesh. I'm going to keep all the settings the same and I'm going to press OK. Now you can see that it is an actual solid. When it is a solid and it has all these triangles, if you select a triangle and you delete that triangle, it will delete everything on that flat surface. So if you notice, I selected one and it took out all of them that are on that flat surface. Now I have the goat to make the SVG. So now I'm going to go to Utilities and I'm going to put Export to Origin. You have several different options to choose from, but at this time I am going to be using the face and I'm going to select the goat and I'm going to press OK. Then it's going to give you a pop-up to save your SVG. And then here it is, my SVG is now saved. Now I can take this into Adobe Illustrator and flip it around if I want, or if I'm okay with it being upside down, I can do that as well. But here's your SVG made off of your STL for your freshie molds.